Welcome to today's episode of Steady Improvement. We're going to talk about the importance of finding the right problems to solve. So let's dive into it. In today's world, selling isn't as much about the information rather than it's about actually being able to solve problems. When we live in a world when information is more accessible than ever, salespeople can't depend on selling things through the fact that they know more than the customer. It's more about solving the right problem the potential customer might have. The sales of today depend more on the creative and the problem-finding skills than on algorithmic and problem-solving skills of technicians. For instance, suppose I'm in the market for a new vacuum cleaner. 10 or 15 years ago, I'd have to go into a store, talk to a salesperson who was much better informed than I ever could be, and then rely on him to provide the product that I needed at a price that was fair. Today, I can solve the vacuum cleaner problem myself. I can go online, check out specs and ratings of various models. I can post a question on my Facebook page and seek recommendations from my friends. Once I've settled on a few possibilities, I can compare prices with a few keystrokes. And I can order from my choice from the vendor offering the best deal. I don't need a salesman at all, unless I've gotten my problem wrong. After all, my ultimate aim isn't to acquire a vacuum cleaner, it's to have clean floors. Maybe my real problem is that the screens on my windows aren't sufficient to keep out dust, and replacing them with better screens will keep my entire house cleaner when the windows are open. If I know my problem, I can likely solve it. If I don't know my problem, I might need some help finding it. The most important thing a salesperson do is finding the right problems to solve. In the past, the best salespeople were adept at accessing information. Today, they must be skilled at curating it, sorting through the massive troves of data and presenting to others the most relevant and clarifying pieces. Also, in the past, the best salespeople were skilled at answering questions, in part because they have information their prospect lacked. Today, they must be good at asking questions, uncovering possibilities, surfacing latent issues, and finding unexpected problems. And one question in particular sits at the top of the list. The most essential question you can ask is this: compared to what? Thank you for listening to today's episode of Steady Improvement, and I hope that I've helped you in your journey of leveling up your sales skills. Until next time.